Hey there, Rich Waller here. In my last video, or one of my last videos, I gave you a demonstration of how to add the out-of-the-box AI agents in Copilot. Inside of this video, with just a few clicks, I'm going to show you how to create a custom AI agent in Copilot. Let me share my screen and we'll get started. All right, so you'll notice I'm within my Office 365 Outlook via the web, and I'm going to click here on the App Launcher, and right here you will see Microsoft 365 Copilot. I'm going to click on that. That opens up this tab here, and where we want to go now, you can see we've got the option to create agent. I'm going to click on Create Agent, and then I'm going to answer a few questions here as we create this agent. And you'll notice that we have the option to where, remember, we're working to create a custom agent, but we actually have Copilot inside of this tool helping us out here. So it says, "Hi, I'm here to help you build an agent." You can start by describing what you want the agent to do. All right, so here's what I'd like to do. Here's how I would like the agent to think like a strategic PMO or project management advisor who is an expert not only in project management as well as artificial intelligence. So I'll put my description in there as to how I want to describe the agent that I want to build. It says, great, now let's determine a name for your agent. How about strategic PMO advisor? Um, let's keep that. I kind of like that. So I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say yes. Sounds good. And then we can go to the next, and it's now going to apply that name. You can see over here on the right, strategic PMO advisor is sitting there. And so we could go on and provide a little bit more information here. But what I want to do is I actually want to take this agent and I want it to point to documentation that I already have. So rather than working to give it more of a description, I'm going to click on configure. And you'll notice when I click on configure, here is the description. It kind of gives the initial instructions that it came up with. But now we've got this option here to enter knowledge. And you can see I can input a URL here. Well, I happen to have on one of my SharePoint sites a listing of, a folder with 16 different documents in it that are related to all related to AI in project management. I'm simply going to click on the three little dots here and I'm going to say copy the link. We've got the link copied. I'm going to come back over into the configuration window here. I'm going to paste my URL. You can see I can select it now. And as I scroll down, you'll notice that it also provides a number of suggested prompts. I could delete these, I could add my own prompts, but we'll just leave these set as default for now. We will keep all of the other options in place as default. What was that? About click number 5. And now we're going to click over here on the right. We're going to click on create. And I could now copy this link and share it, but I'm just going to say go to agent. You'll notice that the agent now appears here. My strategic PMO advisor now appears here under my chat. There's the name, strategic PMO advisor. Here are those initially loaded prompts. But now let's rather than use one of those, let's try asking another question. Let's try writing a prompt or creating a prompt for it. So here's one of the prompts I've created. As a project manager who is new to AI, provide me 3 steps of guidance for improving processes and decision making related to project management. Well, let's go, PMO advisor. Crawl through that listing of information, those documents, and see what recommendations you have for us. Step number 1, identify repetitive or data heavy processes for automation. Use AI for prediction and predictive insights and risk management, build AI literacy, and collaborate with stakeholders. Again, you got some more detailed tips and action items underneath there. Again, from my role as being kind of a thought leader in AI in project management since 2019, I think these is a good general advice, a good direction for someone who is just getting started in this learning path with respect to AI in project management. But wait, let's go up a level. Let's ask it a question again. Where maybe we'll say, as a PMO leader who is responsible for transforming to an AI-driven PMO, provide me a 6-step AI transformation plan. And again, this custom agent is crawling across all 16 of those documents, all related to AI and project management, summarizing that information and pulling it out. Step number 1, define the vision and strategic objectives. Assess the current state. Yep, current capabilities. Yep, provide your use cases, very similar to how in my past as a project management PMO consultant, this is like, first you got to define that current state, set that intent, that vision, define the current state, what's that desired future state, and then work to build that roadmap. So again, build the AI-enabled ecosystem, upskill your PMO team, and then monitor and optimize. Again, 6 steps. We probably could have asked it for a dozen or 15, and it would have got more finite. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is how you can create a custom AI agent in Copilot. Go have fun with this one. Way powerful tool at your fingertips, providing you have the right licenses. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on the next one.